I am Ms. Neha Galani, lecturer at Institute of Pharmacy and Research, Badnera. Today I will give you demonstration on an equipment known as the colony counter. Colony counter is an instrument which is used to measure the colonies of bacteria, molds or other microorganisms. As microorganisms are very small in size, so they cannot be counted by the naked eye. So they are counted by the help of the colony counter, which makes it very convenient for the counting of microorganisms, and there can be accurate counting of the microbial colonies. Now, microbial counting is important in the basic sciences for the physiological and biochemical studies. Food and water microbiologists use it to test the sample of milk, water or food for the presence of or the number of the to count the number of the pathogenic microorganisms to make sure that it is suitable for the human consumptions. So let us first become familiar with the parts of the colony counter. So this is the colony counter. It has a weight of 2 kg. This is a 4-digit display that it can count the colonies up to 4 digits. There is a reset button which can be used to reset the count after counting the organisms on one dish, on one petri dish. We can again reset it to 0 and then count the other colonies. Then there is a focus adjusting arm which will adjust the height of this lens. This is the magnifying glass of 110 mm. So we can adjust it to any height with the help of this adjusting arm. Now this is a plate where the petri dish is kept to count the microbial colonies. You can see the grids there. There are number of squares which is called as the Wolfugel grid. Then there is a switch button which can be switched on. Now when I switch on the main switch, then I have to switch on the switch here. A light illuminates. This is an illuminating surface which has an inbuilt light so that the colonies can be easily viewed for counting. Now this is a marking probe with a sensor. This has to be attached to the instrument for counting. This is a automark pen with a replaceable optic tip with a micro switch which completes the circuit. So this pen helps in counting of the microbial colonies. Whenever we count the microbial colonies, we have to mark it with the pen. So when we mark it with the pen, the recording will be recorded in the digital display. So I will show you how to record the microbial colonies on the petri dish. These are the petri plates where the bacterial colonies have been grown. Now this is the control plate where there are no bacterial colonies. So you can see that from the magnifying glass, colonies cannot be seen. Now this is another petri plate where there are microbial colonies. So first we have to switch on the main switch, then we have to switch on the switch provided here. This will illuminate the surface. This illuminating surface helps us to see the colonies on the petri dish. So one by one we have to mark the colonies. As we mark the colonies, a beep sound is produced and the count is recorded. This helps in counting all the colonies and it helps to avoid any colonies missing to be counted. Also, because the marking is done here, the double counting can be prevented. So whenever you whenever you mark the colonies on this grid, it will be recorded in the digital display. So you can see here I have counted 10. So this 10 has been recorded on the digital display. If I want to reset it, I have to click the reset button. So you can see on pressing the reset button, the count has become 0. So again I can count the colonies on the other petri dish as it has been turned to 0. So it is very convenient and it accurately counts the bacterial colonies. Thank you.